Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the best home security camera wireless outdoor solar-powered system, the TP-Link Tapo SolarCam C402 kit. If you're looking for a reliable, smart, and eco-friendly security solution for your home, this is definitely worth considering. This camera kit is a fantastic addition to any outdoor setup. It comes with a solar panel base, which means you won't need to worry about recharging or changing batteries constantly. The solar panel helps ensure that your camera stays powered up all year round, even in areas where traditional wiring or frequent battery replacements would be a hassle. It's completely wireless, making installation incredibly easy. There's no need to worry about drilling holes or running cables, so you can place it virtually anywhere. When it comes to video quality, the Tapo SolarCam C402 doesn't disappoint. It offers full 1080p HD video resolution, giving you crystal clear images and video footage whether it's day or night. What's even more impressive is the color night vision. This feature makes sure you get full color visuals even in low light conditions, unlike most cameras that just switch to black and white. Whether it's in the middle of the night or in the early hours of the morning, you'll be able to see the details you need to feel confident about your home's security. The camera's free person and vehicle detection technology takes the guesswork out of security monitoring. You'll get real-time notifications directly to your phone when it detects movement, such as a person or a vehicle. This means you won't get unnecessary alerts from random motion like trees blowing in the wind or animals walking by. The detection system is smart, and it can tell the difference between what's important and what's not, saving you time and frustration. With a 180-day battery life, this camera can go months without needing any attention, thanks to its efficient design and the support of solar power. TP-Link's laboratory tests show that with 250 seconds of use per day, you'll get roughly 6 months of usage before needing to worry about a recharge or battery swap. And if you want extra peace of mind, the camera offers both SD and cloud storage options. You can easily store footage and access it whenever you need it, so you never have to worry about losing vital security recordings. One of the best features of this camera is that it works with Alexa, allowing for seamless integration into your smart home system. Just ask Alexa to show you the live feed on your Echo Show, and you can monitor what's happening outside without lifting a finger. The Tapo SolarCam C402 is designed to be compatible with most home setups, so you don't need any additional hubs or complicated installations. In conclusion, if you're searching for a hassle-free, eco-friendly, and effective way to secure your home, the TP-Link Tapo SolarCam C402 is an excellent choice. It combines all the necessary features, solar power, HD video, motion detection, and cloud storage, into a single, easy-to-use package. This security camera truly is the best home security camera wireless outdoor solar-powered solution available. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews.